Hello everyone, my name is Jilwat Khursu. Today I would like to introduce an exercise called squat. It can be performed as follows. Start by standing with your feet shoulder waist apart. Keep your back straight and engage your core. Then slowly lower body as if you are sitting on a chair, making sure your knee do not go past your toes. Lower your body units your strings are parallel to the ground. Then push yourself back up to a standing position. I will now demonstrate this exercise as follows. Finally, the benefits of squat include strengthening leg and glute muscle, improve core strength, helping burn calories, enhancing balance, and reduce the risk of injury. Thank you. Bye bye.